production floor struggles with remote access. You're missing out on efficiency. Let's change that. Effortlessly manage your entire manufacturing operation remotely with both seamless integration and guaranteed security. Meet TSplus Remote Access, the game changer for manufacturing leaders like you. With TSplus, you can easily access critical systems, from production tools to communications platforms, anytime, anywhere. Monitor and control processes remotely, reducing delays and boosting productivity. Whether it's specialized software or essential project management tools, everything is at your fingertips. Operate manufacturing software like CAD, KM, and ERP systems from any device, ensuring operational flexibility and continuity. Support multiple users, ensure secure access with advanced encryption, and streamline workflows with ease. TSplus. Enjoy flexibility with printing and a branded web portal for your team. Trusted by over 500,000 organizations globally, TSplus is the ultimate alternative to Citrix. Experience the efficiency boost your manufacturing needs. Start your free trial today or contact our sales team for more info. With TSplus Remote Access, you can seamlessly connect to production tools, control manufacturing processes, optimize supply chain management, and access administrative systems, all while enjoying a cost-effective licensing model that provides affordable solutions for manufacturing operations globally.
Master TSplus Remote Access like a pro. Start your free training and certification today.